ever heard of Dalgona? Dalgona is a popular traditional Korean sweet made by melting sugar and mixing it with a small amount of baking soda. It may look simple, but it holds a special place in Korean culture. Dalgona became popular in the 1960s and 1970s in South Korea. At that time, it was a cheap and fun street snack for children. Street vendors would melt sugar in a ladle over a small flame, add baking soda, and quickly pour the mixture onto a flat surface. Then, they would press it down and stamp a shape into it, like a star, heart, or umbrella. But Dalgona was more than just a sweet snack. It was also part of a fun game. Children would try to carefully carve out the stamped shape without breaking it. If they succeeded, they would win a prize, usually another Dalgona candy. This nostalgic childhood game became famous around the world after it appeared in the Netflix series Squid Game. The show introduced many people to this traditional Korean candy for the first time. For many Koreans, Dalgona brings back memories of childhood, laughter, and simple street snacks. Even today, you can still find Dalgona in Korean street markets, festivals, and tourist areas like Myeongdong Street Market in Seoul. So next time you see Dalgona, remember, it's not just candy. It's a sweet piece of Korean history and childhood memories. Would you try the Dalgona challenge?